How to fix Facebook video icon missing. Now by video icon, if you mean that when you open Facebook and you're supposed to see various options at the top and there is no video or Facebook watch icon like this, right? So you're not seeing this Facebook watch icon either at the top or at the bottom. Now if you're not seeing this, it means because Facebook might have removed it automatically because you have not been using it recently. To get this video or Facebook watch icon back to your navigation pin bar, what you want to do is go to your menu icon from the top right hand side first. Now once you're here on the menu option, tap on this gear icon, which is a settings icon that will take you to settings and privacy. Here you want to just scroll down until you find this option called tab bar. So tap on this tab bar option. Now it says customize the bar. Tap on customize and there you can see Facebook for profile, feeds and whatever else, right? And you'll find this reels icon, so which is the video or Facebook watch. So instead of auto, you might want to set this to pin, and when you set this to pin, you'll be able to see that particular profile at the top of your Facebook navigation bar. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.